Welcome back to AIPTECH space. So you are welcome to today's video tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install and activate your AutoCAD Electrical 2026 on your PC. So we are going to be covering the installation process, also how to activate the software. So before we dive into the video, if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly use this moment to subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Thank you. So like I said, we are walking you through how to install and activate AutoCAD Electrical 2026. So now let's get started. So this is the software. Alright, so the first thing is come to your settings and turn off navigate to Windows security, virus and threat protection. Turn off your Windows security, everything you're seeing in this video. Make sure you turn it off. So come to manage settings, turn everything off. Everything you can see, toggle it off. Make sure you turn everything off. So navigate to firewall and network protection. Make sure you turn everything off, starting from the first to the last one. Your domain network, your private network, make sure you turn everything off. Alright, so as not to interfere with the installation. So come to your networks, make sure you are not connected to the internet. So if you are connected, disconnect yourself from internet before you install. So the next thing is to extract this file. Extract the file, click on extract here and extract. So let's wait for it. The password is 1, 2 and 3 and click on OK. So we wait for the file to be extracted. So let's wait. So this is the extracted file. Click on it and click on setup, run as administrator. Okay, so let's continue. Click on next, and then check that aspect. Click on install. So we wait for it to complete the installation. Okay, so install complete. Close the software, don't start it immediately. Come back to your folder and navigate to the medicine folder. So launch the network license manager, open it, install it. So click next, check, I agree, next, and install. So it has successfully installed. So the next thing is to come to your task manager, check whether you have any running license, running at Autodesk license. So search for ADSK Flex. This is for those that they already have AutoCAD software running in their PC. So you have to come and turn it off. Everything you see that is searched there. So turn it off if you have. So the next thing is to copy this ArtFlex and replace it with the one you'll be seeing here. Click on local, Autodesk network license manager, and paste the one you copied now. Paste it. So replace the file in there, click on it, and that one is done. The next thing is to come back to the folder, to your AutoCAD folder, and then the version, copy it, and then come back to this. Click on program file, click on common file, Autodesk shared, click on Autodesk and ask licensing current. Click on the first option, folder, and then paste the license folder here. So paste it in this aspect. So you can see that's its version we copied. So the next thing is to so what we want to do now is to configure your system to this license. So open the LM tools, run it as administrator, come to system settings. Okay, so we'll be replacing the computer/host name, which is PC, with that license. So that for my own PC is for my own Windows PC. So we have to replace it. We have to configure it. So copy this looker and paste the PC there. So you have paste it there. Also go to the Ethernet, copy the first 12 numbers and alphabet. The first 12. Don't copy all. Copy the first 12. And I don't include the apostrophes. So copy it and replace it with the mark. Make sure you copy the first 12 and click on paste. Click on save first and then go back and save as. So we'll be saving it to our local file. So navigate to your local disk, Autodesk, the network license manager, and then save as type. Select all file and then save it here. So replace it, click yes. So we are done with that aspect also. So we are done. Okay, let's check. Alright, so the next thing is to open the LM tools under this local disk folder. So open it under the, so come to the configuration service and then create a service name. So let's just use CAD Electrical 2026. So you have to create a service name also for your own this thing. You can choose any name. So click on browse and import the LMGR first. In the first, the second one, pick the license. Can you see under local disk? So the next thing is to check use service and start server. Check it and click on save. Click on yes. So after you are done with that, so we move to the service and license. Make sure you are on that same service name you created. Configuration using service, LM2, check it. Come to start, stop and read. Start the server. Make sure your service name you created is under it. So start the server. So server start successful. So also reread the license file. License file completed. Can you see? So the next thing is to come to your server status and perform status inquiry. So you have to wait, make sure it pop up. So can you see what it pops? So which means that our installation, we are good to go with the installation, with the launch. Can you see? Make sure you check everything well. The service name you created, make sure everything is under that service name. So now we can now launch the AutoCAD software. So we are waiting for it. Click on select use network license. So now cut the aspect. You can just exit that aspect. So as you can see, the software is working perfectly. Can you see now? So if you follow the step you have seen in this video, you're going to get this kind of successful installation also in yours. So that's how to install and activate AutoCAD Electrical 2026. So let's check other features in this. So like I said, for you to get access to this software, click the link in the comment section of this video. So it will direct you to where you'll get access to this software. So let's check the license, manage license, click on it. Click on manage license and then open. Can you see license behavior permanent and license expiration date none, which means it's not expiring anytime. So as you can see, let's just switch it off and try and rerun the software. Let's try and launch the software again. Maybe it will pop up any error. Okay, let's check. Alright, can you see now? It's working perfectly. Can you see? So we're just trying to check. Alright. So let's test it very well to see that this software is working perfectly. So if you follow every procedures, you will get this kind of successful installation. So like I said, to get access to this software, kindly click the link in the comment section of this video. So it will direct you to where you get your own software also. Also, don't forget to like this video, comment and share, and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Alright, so thank you.